Hello everyone, I am Rosalie J. Bajo from BTL Ed 1B, and today I'm going to show you the 10 types of carpentry tools and its functions. Let's start. Tape measure, used to measure height or distance. Spirit level, used to check the vertical, horizontal, and diagonal surface. L square, it helps to create 90 degrees angle and straight edges. Hacksaw, used for cutting plastics, metal pipes, and other small household materials. Sledgehammer, to demolish wall framing and to drive spikes and stakes. Plumb bob, used as a vertical reference line. Crosscut saw, it designed for cutting woods. Flat bar, used for prying and pulling all types of nails. Chisel, used in dressing, shaping, or working a solid materials such as wood, stone, or metal. Claw hammer, used to drive and pull nails.